So we will learn how to extract your network connections in the form of an Excel sheet um, in LinkedIn. So first you go to networks, and then you go to connections, and then here there's something called manage sync and imported contacts. Okay. Here you have export contacts. If you click on export contacts, you will have a new tab open. Okay. And then you select here the list of fields, whether you want connections, imported contacts, profile, and then you click on extract. So then it will be ready in 10 minutes. You will receive it in your email account, which is linked to LinkedIn, and it will be in the form of an Excel sheet. So that is how you can extract your LinkedIn connections in the form of Excel sheet. Hope you liked it.